Glutes are always getting targeted. It is what it is. But who's complaining? No one's complaining. So hey guys, it's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to plan your workout. Now, of course, disclaimer, okay, I'm not a personal trainer. I'm not certified in anything. This is just what I've been doing for the past years or so, actually. Now, first of all, everybody has different goals. So again, my goal, if you've been following me, is weight loss. So I really try to focus on heavy lifting, throwing in some cardio and things of that nature. There are two major ways I plan my workouts, two sources of information. I either get my workouts from social media, from trainers or people that I follow, admire, and usually I try to aim for people that are certified, but if not certified, someone that I admire and really kind of knows their way in the gym. And secondly, I've talked about this in my last video, I sign up for a platform, some kind of fitness training program that writes the workouts for me and knows my goals and everything and just kind of lays it all out for me. I've talked on this channel before about a program called Move With Us, and I'll put up the little app here, but I talked about how they give you the food plan and you tell them your goals so they can coordinate everything, and they even give you workouts and a little video on how to do the workouts. So if you're a beginner, I think that's probably the ultimate best way, is to just sign up for a program and let them tell you what to do and get you started. That's primarily how I started in the gym. I signed up for this app and they wrote out all the workouts for me, and there was a video so I could just go to the gym, open up the app, and follow the workout. So after I got comfortable with that, I also began to just kind of do some research, follow some certified trainers or others that inspire me, and just take their workouts and kind of formulate them to my needs. So there's a plethora of people that I love to get my workouts from, so I'll leave them all down below for you guys. They're primarily on Instagram. A few of them have YouTube channels, so I definitely think you should subscribe and check them out. So let's just get started. Let's start with categories. I have my phone open because my phone is what holds all of my goodies. So I have a whole folder here dedicated to fitness, and we're gonna start with February because I just finished writing out my February workout split. Basically, I personally have 4 days where I lift heavy, and then there's a 5th day where I kind of just do a free-for-all, but we'll get to that. My 4-day work split, I don't assign a certain day, I just do all 4 days in a week. So Mondays could be different every week, Tuesdays could be something different every week. I try not to stress myself out that much. So first we have your glutes and your quads. Then I have back and biceps. Then I have glutes again with hammies, your hamstrings. And I have a chest, tricep, and shoulder day. So the reason that I categorize things this way is just based off where muscles are on my body. So for quads and glutes, sometimes those workouts kind of work out each other anyway, so I kind of stick them together. So quads and glutes. Same thing with glutes and hammies, the back of your legs. So sometimes workouts I do with hamstrings also target my glutes anyways. Glutes are always getting targeted. It is what it is. But who's complaining? No one's complaining. So you've probably heard of push and pull days, and if no one's ever explained that to you, basically the muscles you use to push, you work out all those in one day, and the muscles you use to pull, you work those out in one day. Push, you have your chest, your triceps, and shoulders. So you're pushing, and those are the muscles you use to push. And to pull, we use our back and our biceps. That's how I categorize upper body days. So I keep this really simple, you guys. This is gonna be foolproof for you. So we're gonna screen record my phone. So first of all, yeah, that's where I keep all my workouts, right in my phone. So here you can see this is all February. I've already written these all out with the pink little hearts. And let's open up what I did yesterday. So we did glutes and hammies yesterday. So what I do is I take the Instagrammer that I found and I link the actual link to the workout that she did from Instagram, and then I copy and paste the entire workout right into my phone. So you can't copy and paste on the app, so you definitely want to use your laptop for this, just for it to be easier, or you can just type them all out one by one. So here you see I did back extensions 4x10, and then I put weight, and for this specific exercise I use my body weight. And yesterday I did Romanian deadlifts 4x10, and I did 25 to 30 pound dumbbells. So every week I keep up the weights, and that's basically how I do that. Let's go to one I did previously. So this was my January split. This was a glute day. And here I kept track, as you can see, the weights I kept track of every week and I went up every week. I had to make sure to go up. You want a progressive overload. You want to trick your body into growing, basically. You want to go up in weight every single week, and that's really how you grow. So as you can see with the glute bridges, the cast glute bridges, I went from 25, 30, 35, 30, 30, 35. So I just went up every week, and that's just the 4 different sets I did. So hopefully that makes sense. Same thing with leg press, hamstring curls, and things like that. So let's go back to February because it's cleaner. It makes more sense. So let's just do quads and glutes. You see I wrote it all out here. I haven't done this workout before, so this is brand new. There's no weights in it. But this one I got from Leanna. So if you click the link, it'll take you to Instagram. And this is Leanna. I love her workouts, so you guys should definitely follow her. I'll link her below. But this is her quad and glute workout that I thought was going to be pretty challenging and something that I could do. So I literally just copy and pasted her workout. Now granted, there's some times where in the gym I don't have a specific equipment that they're using or something like that, because I do go to Planet Fitness at the moment. I am looking for a new gym, but it's kind of difficult in my area, but that's another story. So sometimes I will write alternatives, like maybe instead of squatting I can do a goblet squat with dumbbells, things like that. So yeah, that's pretty much how I plan my workouts, you guys. And what I also like to make sure I do is if I'm doing a workout that I did last month, I put the weight that I ended on last month right here in the weights. So with cast glute bridges, which I love, I do 4 sets of those and I go up every set. So the last set was a 50-pound dumbbell. So I make sure that this month I go up in every single week, every single set. You want to make sure to always link the workout that you're doing at the top of your notes so you can always reference it, so you can see body position, how to hold the dumbbells, overhand, underhand, all that type of thing. You want to make sure you link it so you can always quickly just click it, and at the gym you can just see what they're doing. And if there's ever a workout that you see someone else doing, do more research on it. For example, Romanian deadlifts. I thought I was doing those correctly for the longest time, and I wasn't. So just always do your research, guys. Just don't take things off Instagram and just do them. You always want to do your research and challenge yourself. And nothing is wrong with going back and editing this. So I might do this whole split this week and find out that certain things were too challenging or certain things were just too easy. So I edit those, I change those up. I make this plan work for me. So I highly encourage you to always just keep track of the weights. Make sure you progressive overload every week. Up those weights every week if you can. I know with legs it's pretty easy to up weights, and upper body for me takes a little longer, so no pressure, but just always keep track of those things. And I always like to use my note app. I do a workout split for a whole month, so at least 4 weeks, maybe 6, but I will follow this exact split and these workouts for at least a month. And I really love doing that because I get to see how I progressed over time, and I really see the gains that way. I really see more muscle definition and things like that. So also on your 5th day, if you go 5 days a week, depending, I like to go 5 days a week. So on my 5th day, I'll usually really just focus on cardio and abs, or full body, but usually it's been cardio and abs lately. I also like to throw in abs at the end of each workout. That's just something that I like to do. I always like to throw a little goal in there every month. So this month for me, I'm trying to hold a plank for 30 seconds, move that up to a minute. I'm also trying to do more cardio. I'm going to incorporate the 12-3-30 cardio. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically you have a treadmill and you set it on the 12th incline for the speed of 3, and you do it for 30 minutes, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to incorporate more fun cardio because I can't stand cardio. But I do love the Stairmaster, and I'm not biased against the treadmill. I think the treadmill's okay. I just like to throw little challenges in there just to make things interesting and track my progress, and it just always makes you feel good when you know, accomplish your challenge. Make this really fun for you. Make it work for you. Don't stress yourself out. Don't choose workouts that look ridiculous and you know you're a beginner, and be safe, okay? You don't want to hurt yourself in the gym because that sucks. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to see a video of coming to the gym with me and me actually doing one of my workout splits and how that goes, let me know down below. I'll be sure to record that in the gym with people. We'll see how that goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, join the family, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.